Tired of turning down deals that don't fit traditional guidelines? Learn how your commonly overlooked leads can supplement your business in Private Lending Solutions. Conventional lending can pose problems for real estate investors. Tight deadlines, strict regulations, and a stroke of bad luck can cause any deal to flop. Today, Eileen Mazza will discuss how you can conquer these obstacles and more. RCN Capital proudly presents Private Lending Solutions.
Hi, this is Eileen Mazza with Private Lending Solutions. Real estate investing is full of surprises, and not all of them are welcome. You get halfway through a rehab and find out there's structural damage that you need to take care of. You budget $5,000 for a kitchen renovation, and it ends up being closer to $10,000. There are several things you can do in advance to prepare for unexpected issues. When you're calculating for your overall budget, it's important to plan for holding costs and put away money for taxes, loan interest, insurance, and utilities while the property is both under renovation and up for sale. Your lender will want to verify that you have the assets to cover these expenses to reduce their risk. You should create a long-term budget with a 10% overage built into it, which would cover any surprises. When you buy a home to fix and flip it, there are many nickel and dime expenses which can add up to a significant amount over a few months. Thinking ahead by having these costs built in will help you stay on budget. Now let's take a moment to talk about interest rates. With private loans, you're typically paying a higher interest rate as the lender makes their money up front rather than over a 30-year schedule. If you hold the loan for 6 months, you will have paid 6% interest total. Although the rate is higher, with private lenders like RCN Capital, we offer options with no prepayment penalty. That way, you're only paying for the months that you hold the loan. If you prepay before the terms end, you'll end up paying less interest overall. Have a thorough home inspection completed. Before you sign those papers, bring in a licensed home inspector to check the safety of your new investment. They can evaluate the construction, mechanicals, electrical, and plumbing to ensure that you're buying a sound structure. I would also look at getting a radon, well, septic, and pest inspection to cover all your bases. It just may reveal a latent defect which can save thousands in future repair costs. Secure your investments. One of our clients unfortunately had an experience with break-ins at his investment property. He did his best to secure the property daily by locking up while work was being completed. Unfortunately, sometimes these things can happen, and as a result, many of his materials and power tools were stolen. If you have the proper homeowner's insurance in place, this can help alleviate the stress of having to replace these materials. Yes, you'll have to pay the deductible, but can recoup some of your costs and make the potential setback more manageable. At RCN Capital, we want to help you make smart investment choices to make your next fix and flip a success. If you have any questions about private lending, please post your questions or comments to us, and we'd be happy to answer them. This is Eileen Mazza with Private Lending Solutions.
Are you looking to purchase residential investment properties but need additional funding? Are conventional lenders taking so long to close that you're missing out on key opportunities? Apply for fast, direct financing through RCN Capital, a leading nationwide private lender. Our experienced origination team will help you get the funding you need when you need it, delivering commitment letters in as little as 48 hours. Apply online at rcncapital.com. RCN Capital, direct financing for your real estate investments.
This is Mortgage News Network.